Well, hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Ron's Weight Loss Journey, and my name is Ron. Well, today is Sunday. It is March the 7th, and also the start of week 29. And today we're at one of our hiking trails here in Leominster called Barrett Park. The perimeter is down to the bare pavement, and it's kind of like some spots are a little bit mushy, but most of it's pretty much solid. And I just started to come up here and do my video show for this coming week at the park, and the nice beautiful park that I'm looking at. Now earlier, a few weeks ago, they were skating down there by the backside of it. I'm just gonna scroll the camera right to left to show you. I'm underneath this pavilion area. So I'm just going to scroll. Just bear with me. And guys that have been here for a while or been here right along, you know where I am. I came across over there where that bridge is. There's a picnic table over there. I got my cane over there for safety. My wife's walking around. She said, just go ahead and do what I got to do and I'll catch up to her. There's quite a bit of people here today. Now today it's 34 right now, but it was 19 this morning when I woke up in our city. And this coming week we got weather scheduled to come up to 65, almost 70 degrees on Thursday. So we're definitely going out and walking 4 or 5 miles every day this coming week. But yeah, so I'm just showing you what it looks like from this angle. And I put some other photographs up there following this video. I'm going to move the camera over here, put it over here so I can talk to you guys. So just bear with me, give you some nice background scenery, and flip the camera around. Hey guys, and welcome to week number 29, the start of week 29, and my name is Ron. I live in Leominster, Massachusetts. Now I did come off of a 5-day egg fast journey, and I had never done that before. Please do your homework on that, because I went to Jessica Freeman's YouTube channel, Keto Rewind, and Steffi from the incredible Shrinking Steffi, and quite a number of other ones, just to make sure that I was okay with it, and to make sure I had the right amount of protein in my my weight loss plan. What I did was I went in the Carb Manager, and when I was checking my macros and everything, it told me that I was okay to eat 6 eggs a day. Then I fixed them up all different ways, and I really loved it. But after the 5th day, I was pretty much sick of it. And will I do that again? Well, yeah, absolutely. But the good news is I lost 9 pounds this week on the egg fast, and I feel terrific. So I'm just letting you know today's theme is don't give up. No matter how hard it is, just don't give up. I mean, I'm 64 years old. I lost 67 pounds since I started my journey in August, and you might hear some background noise for the wind. But I'm not giving up my journey now. I still have about 70 pounds to go, and 25 pounds more, and I'm eligible to skydive, which is going to happen late in the summer. And you know, my anniversary comes up on August 17th. I might jump around my anniversary day. I can see my wife over there walking across the pond, the frozen pond. It's not safe enough to go skating anymore. But we're just over here to let you guys know it's going good. And I just want you guys to stay focused and stay positive. Now, what's next for Ron after the reason why I did the egg fast to begin with there, because my weight had stalled out for a couple of weeks and almost a couple of month period. Well, I was maintaining it, but I wasn't really losing the weight, and I learned a lot when I was doing the egg fast. I wasn't weighing my food properly, and you know, the amounts really matter. So what's next for Ron? We're going to do what's called carnivore and ketovore, based on Keto Rewind's experience with it and a few other YouTubers that I follow. Now, carnivore is just basically meat, and but you're not allowed to have any plant-based food. And so you can have any kinds of meat with protein in it. Like you can have eggs, you can have chicken, the chicken out of the eggs, that made the eggs. If you're doing beef, you can do the heart, the liver, and all that stuff. And and you know, the fish. You can do any of that stuff there, but you just can't have anything that's plant-based, like vegetables and that. You know, so we're gonna do that for like 3 days, maybe 4, and then the rest of the 3 days for that week, we're gonna go back on keto so we can have vegetables to get some in my body. And then probably the following week, what I'm gonna probably do is just do the plain. I want to go back and do the beef and butter fast for 7 days because I really love that. And we'll see how it goes. But today's theme is just don't quit, don't give up. Just remember the key to success is to keep yourself motivated. And if you need my help to lose weight, please send me a private text message or send my email on my email contact that you saw my video and you would like me to help you. And I'll be glad to help you. If you live in the city and you want to go walking with me, I'm always looking for a walking partner. And we're going to be getting that overhead tripod this week to try filming those recipes again so I can start putting together what Ron eats in a day to help you guys lose weight to follow along with me a little bit better. But basically, I'm doing 20 net carbs a day. Now I'm going to increase the carbs up to 27. But, and that's what I'm really supposed to be eating. But when you're doing keto, it's basically a low-carb diet and you're just watching what you're eating on calories. And I do a Coke Zero every day. You're allowed to have Coke Zero, and that's perfectly fine. I've been having some issues lately with my coffee in the morning giving me heartburn, so I'm thinking about going to a decaf or cutting it out altogether, and I'll just find out another solution for me because I don't want to be dealing with that wrenching heartburn like I had yesterday. And but other than that, it's going good. Like I said, we weighed ourselves this morning. We were 258 pounds. We were down 9 pounds for the egg fast, 67 pounds for my week journey, and this is week number 29. I just want to say you guys are amazing. I'll put some links below the video, some other YouTubers that you can follow, like Keto Rewind. And there's a great YouTuber lady that I over the last few months here, I found her by accident. Her name is Steffi, and from the incredible Shrinking Steffi. And she has a Facebook support group called The Shrinkables, along with Keto Rewind Facebook support group. So you might want to check those out. And some other ones like Keto Connect, Low-Carb Love. They're all here to help us lose weight. You don't have to be big if you don't want to be big. Now, I'm going to let you in on a secret. My back, pardon my language, sucks. And but I'm not letting that as an excuse. I get out there and I go walking every day, no matter how cold it is. The only day I didn't go walking this past week was Tuesday, but I went to the gym and I did the bike for 30 minutes because it was 60 degrees, 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts that almost blew me over. And but I just wanted to do it safely, and I didn't want to have to worry about the wind taking me over. Plus, it was really cold that day, too. So, and there was like 4,000 to 5,000 people in our city that lost their power. So that's why I went to the gym, and it was a better choice for me. But I'm getting out there every day, no matter what, guys. You know, if it's raining out, I'm going to the gym. There's no excuse. You know, if you want to be healthy, you got to get out and you got to get moving. And so, anyways, I'll let you guys go. And I'll film out some of my recipes this week and what I'm making and see how that goes and put them up on the timeline. But remember, you guys are amazing, and I truly mean that. And have a good week, and I'll talk to you guys later.